Hey lovelies, Sam Lenny here, healer, channel, mentor. I just wanted to pop on. I've been guided to share a few words around energetic hygiene. I'm really aware that we are going through this process where we are doing more personal development, more exploration of ourselves, more of this spiritual development, and with that comes greater awareness. So we're building this greater awareness around self, and that raises levels of consciousness. When we're raising levels of consciousness, that also includes energies. You're raising the vibration, you're raising the frequency of your energy field. And Spirit drew me to this yesterday because I had not been as clean with my energy hygiene as I could be. So I was pulled up on this, and so I'm feeling guided to share it with you as well. Spirit had given me this analogy, all right? So when you, at the end of the day, you take your makeup off, you have a wash, you clean yourself down, you clean your teeth. So you would never finish a day without doing that. Well, actually, I know there's been days where I've not taken my makeup off, but you catch my drift. So, you wouldn't think twice about cleaning your teeth, taking your makeup off, having a wash before you get into bed. So the same rule applies to your energy field. So we don't want to get into bed having not taken off any energies that shouldn't be there. And when I speak to that, I'm just reminding you to look at everything as energy. So we are energy, our bodies are energy, the things around us are energy, the air is energy, the plants are energy, everything is energy. So learning to see and learning to view everything simply as energy helps you to gain some perspective around this. So when you go to bed, you want to take off any energetic clothing that either isn't yours or that isn't welcome, isn't helpful to you when going to sleep. This is really, again, quite important if you are somebody that struggles to sleep, struggles to get to sleep. So why not include energetic washing as part of your evening, morning as well, but evening routine? So we can pick up energy from other people. We can pick up just by being, in their energy field, bearing in mind that we have our physical body, this is energy, but we also have our auric field, our energetic, our subtle body around us as well, which can be wide. It can be really wide. So even by standing next to somebody, you're in their energy field. Words that are spoken, that's energy. Conversations, communications, connections is all energy. So that can stick onto you. I'm thinking about like little limpets, but they can stick onto you. They're in your field, your auric field, walking around with you as you go around your day. So it makes perfect sense to take those off, take those energies off of you before you go to sleep. And so a good way of doing this is, you've washed, you've changed, you've done everything, you leap into bed or jump into bed, lie into bed, fall into bed. Bearing in mind you've got nothing around you, you're ready to sleep. So we can go through an exercise where you are cleaning your energy field. So the way to do that, and do this daily, absolutely make this a routine, is by lying in bed. So lie in bed as you would normally do. And it helps to close the eyes. You don't have to, but if you close your eyes and just imagine that your body has anchor points all the way along your spine, across, down your legs, the heels of your ankles, the back of your head, and just imagine that you have these golden threads. So these golden threads come down from the underside of your body down into the earth, way down into the ground. So this anchors you, helps you to be stable, helps you to feel secure, and this is your foundation. So anchoring yourself to the earth first, and you can imagine, like I say, golden threads. Maybe in your imagination you can see the roots of a tree, whatever feels good for you, but just see you anchoring yourself. This is your energy deeply into the earth. So that's the first step. The second step then is to bringing a wash of white light through the crown of your head. So you imagine this white light coming down, beaming down on the top of your head, and you wash it through like a waterfall, like the most biggest waterfall, the most dramatic waterfall you can think of. We don't want to trickle, we want to really wash it through. So imagining this white light coming through the crown and washing down your body, across your shoulders, down your arms, down into your legs, washing away, setting the intention. Your intention is to clear away any energies that are not yours. So you can say this in your mind's eye: I'm clearing away any energies that aren't mine, washing them away, clearing them away, preparing myself for bed. Just as you would prepare your face, just as you would prepare your body, your teeth. Just see it from the same perspective. So I'm clearing away, I'm washing away anything that isn't mine, and I'm leaving everything that is mine and everything that is purposeful to me right now. So just allow that to move through, and you haven't got to rush it. It's like, pay as much attention and time to doing this as you would to, going to the bathroom and doing all the things that you do in the bathroom before you sleep. So don't rush it, but just witness, just see, observe your body full with this white light that's washed through, and see it flow out of your hands, flow out of your skin, so it then fills the whole of the auric field around you. If you're a good visualizer, you can see this. If you're not a visualizer, but that's okay, just the intention that's what you're doing. Your intention is energy, it's all energy. So you're intending for that to happen, that washing through. So once that's washed through, and you'll know instinctively, it's like, yeah, I've done that now. You then bring in some golden light. Golden light, what is like, it fills any areas of the body where you've removed, where energy is shifted. Because energy doesn't disappear, it just shifts and moves. So if there's any energies that have camped out in your body that aren't yours, you're going to have a little bit of space there now. You're going to have created space. So bringing through the head, crown of the head, just like you did with the white light, is this golden light. Bring in the golden light and just watch it move through the body with your mind's eye. Intend it. This golden light is now coming through my body, and the golden light will fill the places and spaces within your energy field that there is space in. So we're filling this up with golden light, and that light is very, it's like having a sticking plaster, right? It's like, I'm going to seal that in, I'm sealing that in, I'm covering it up, not covering it up maybe, but I'm using it like a seal to seal in this golden light, which is the areas where the white light has moved through, and I'm now replacing it with the gold. And so it takes 30 seconds, maybe a minute, however long you feel inclined to go with it, go with your body, and you just see that golden light coming through the body as well. And then once you've done that, you're going to feel better. You are so going to feel better. You will feel the benefits of bringing that energy through the body. and you are going to sleep much more soundly. You may even dream more profoundly. You might have some deeper dreams, but you will wake up feeling refreshed, feeling much better, much more refreshed, like you've had a good, a better night's sleep. So make that part of your daily practice. So important to do that when you are, working on yourself, clearing, doing heart work, looking after yourself and self-care. So give that a go this evening and every evening, and let me know how you get on. You can message me or get in touch. All right, lovelies, I'll see you soon. Take care.